we will start with section 6.1, chromosomes and meiosis. Okay. First point, what are the two major groups of cell types in the human body? The question asks about the types of cells, which the body includes it. We know that we have two types of cells. We have somatic have another name, body cells, and we have germ cell or gametes or sex cell. So the answer of number one, the two major groups of cell types will be somatic or body and germ or gametes or sex cell. Next one, where are gametes located? Where are gametes located? We can find the gametes, the sex cell, in which part of our body? Who know the answer? Open your mic, answer with me, please. We revision. If you know the answer, say it. Where are gametes located? Your gametes located in which part of you? No one know the answer? Guys, open your mic.
مستر في ال reproductive system.
Reproductive system or reproductive organs?
Organs.
Organs. Okay. So you can find the gametes in reproductive organs. What are the reproductive organs in human body? What is the reproductive organs? What?
Ovaries and testes.
Yeah. And ovaries. Right, Mahmoud. Thank you. Okay. Your participation have grades. Okay, your participation have grades. So you can find gametes in reproductive.
مستر هو ده اللي هيجي منه الامتحان؟
Who's talking?
يوسف.
Yusuf. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, maybe. The next one, pay attention and participate with me. Then think about the exam. Number 3, how many chromosomes are in a typical human body cell? What's the number?
23 pair.
23 pairs or
64 chromosomes.
64?
46.
46.
Okay, Noor Khattab. Okay, 46. Okay, or 23 pairs. Okay. Next question. Okay, about this diagram. Fill in the concept map below the summarize what you know about chromosomes. 46 chromosomes in a human body. The first arrow, we will start with number 4, okay? Half chromosome. 46 chromosomes have come from what? 4 and 5. Your chromosomes. Your
Father and mother.
what?
The father and the mother.
Right. from mother and father. Excellent. I hope you don't see the answer in the sheet, okay?
I didn't print the sheet اساسا.
Okay. Number 6. 46 chromosomes in human body cells includes space consists of 22 homologous pairs. Number 6. The chromosomes which have 22 homologous called what? The
Autosome.
human body cells, the body cells have a name. What is his name?
Autosomes.
Somatic cell.
Mahmoud, right?
Autosomes.
Autosomes, excellent. Good. Autosomes. Good. Number 23, called what?
23. 6 chromosomes.
Excellent. 6 chromosome single.
أيوة.
6
أيوة.
chromosome, okay? Number 7 includes 6
هتبقى
chromosome. Includes number 7 includes space 7 or 8.
testis and ovaries صح؟
No. 6 chromosome may be what? For male.
sperms and egg cells.
Nur Khattab. Sperm and egg cells, 6 cells. I asked about 6 chromosomes. Did you know?
معرفش.
6 chromosome. The male have 6 chromosome what? When you see karyotype number 23, if it what? To identify male from female.
X و Y يعني يا مستر.
Excellent. Who said?
يوسف.
Excellent. X and Y. XX from female, XY from male. Okay? Next one. Number 9. What is the sex of a person with 2 X chromosomes, which have female X chromosome? XX. XX what?
female.
Female. Number 10. Which chromosome carries the fewest number of genes? Which chromosome carries the fewest number of genes? Because it is very, very small, very, very short. What is this chromosome? No one know?
Y يا مستر.
Y, excellent. Good. Excellent. Y. Y chromosome, because it's very little and very short, comparing to with X chromosome. Number 11, what happens to the nuclei of the egg and sperm during fertilization? During fertilization, the mating between male gamete and female gamete, what happened? What's the meaning of fertilization process, if you know? No one know the meaning of fertilization?
يا مستر fertilization اللي هو ال fusion of gametes.
The fusion between gametes. So what happened to the nuclei?
They fuse.
Excellent. I think 100% you have the sheet. Okay, they fuse together. Okay, number 12. What type of cell are haploid? Which type of cells are haploid?
Sex cells.
Six cells or gametes. Okay. Number 13. What is the haploid chromosome number in humans? What is the haploid chromosome number in humans? Mhm.
23.
23. Good, Muhammad as well. 23. 14. How many autosomes are present in each human gametes and how many sex chromosomes? How many autosomes? The first part. How many autosomes?
22.
Again, please.
22 صح؟
Excellent. 22. And what's the number of sex chromosomes?
1 pair.
Excellent. Just one. Okay. Autosomes 22, sex chromosome 1. Next one. Number 15. Compare between mitosis and meiosis cell division. Firstly, the first gap in mitosis makes diploid cell. So it will be in meiosis what?
Haploid.
Again,
Haploid.
haploid. Mitosis occurs in diploid cells while meiosis occurs in haploid cell. 1 minute to take the attendance, please. Okay. The next gap, meiosis makes genetically ionic cells. So mitosis makes what?
Identical cell.
I think.
Identical cells, right? Because they are identical to the parent cell. Identical. The next gap, meiosis happens throughout lifetime. So meiosis happens when? All lifetime or a certain time, specific time? Similar to the mitosis or what?
Specific time.
Specific time in the life cycle. The next one, meiosis involved in sexual reproduction. Means the meiosis enter the sexual reproduction or important for the sexual reproduction. So meiosis involved in,
Cell division.
okay, cell division, right, but the compare between the types of reproduction, if you can see the answer, okay?
Oh,
So
but
meiosis,
asexual.
excellent, asexual reproduction, good news,
Asexual.
okay? Good. Number 16, what are homologous chromosomes? What are homologous chromosomes? I said during my explanation about this 3.4 homologous chromosomes. Who remember these points? Guys, who remember this point? The meaning of homologous chromosomes. No one? Mm-hmm. Guys, what are the homologous chromosomes? No one know the answer? Are you hear me?
أيوة يا مستر. أيوة يا مستر، أنا مش عارف.
Okay. What about others? Tariq, where is your voice? Hella, Noor, Shahd. Okay, listen to me. The meaning of homologous chromosomes, there are 3 points. Point number 1, they are similar to each other. They are similar to each other. Number 2, they carry the same gene. They carry the same gene. Number 3, one from father and the other from mother. So that is the meaning of homologous chromosomes. Again, they are similar, carry same gene, and one from mother and other one from father. Okay. Number 17, I think the last question in this section. The word soma means body. How does this relate to the meanings of autosome and somatic cell? Again, the part soma or the word soma means body, like somatic cell, body cells. Okay, how does this relate to the meaning of autosomes and somatic cells? The meaning of somatic chromosomes are related to the sexual or the kind of the person, or related to the body development. About somatic autosomes, the importance or the function of autosomes, the body chromosomes. It's important for the sexual, the kind of the person, or it's important for the development of the body of the person. Mm. Mm. No one? Okay. If you know the number of autosomes, so you can identify the kind of the human or the person by identifying the autosomes, you can identify that. Guys, if you don't understand the point, tell me to repeat it and explain. Don't be silent. I just talk for myself. Anyone say something? Okay. Autosomes, it's not directly to the kind of the human or the person or the sexual, but is directs to the development of the body traits. Autosomes directs to the development of body traits, not to the sexual of the body or the human or its kind. So you can identify the kind of any person by their autosomes. You must know its sex chromosome, if it XX or XY. That's the meaning of question number 7. If you don't understand the number 7, tell me to repeat it for you and explain it again. So all of you understand this question? What? Repeat it? Okay. Listen to me, Muhammad. Number 7, simply ask you if the autosomes or the body chromosomes means for what? Means for to identify the kind of the human or the sexual of the human or identify the traits of the body. You know that we have two types of chromosome. We have body chromosome, which are called autosomes, and sex chromosome. To identify the sexual of the person or the kind of the person, you can use the sex chromosome, not autosomes. Autosomes are similar in all humans. Okay, are similar. Not similar in the genes they carried. No, they are similar in their structures, their functions, their traits. For example, chromosome number 1 carried the eye color trait. So chromosome number 1 in all humans carry the gene of eye color trait. Maybe difference, there is difference, different colors, but they are similar. So autosomes can't help us to identify the sex of the person, if it male or female. Okay, but it directs or related to the traits of the body or the development of the traits of the body cells. Okay, so the meaning of or the importance of the autosomes, the body chromosomes. Okay, clear or repeat it, no problem. If you don't understand, I will repeat it for you. Okay, okay. Who else? Who else, guys? Who else, guys? You understand? Okay. So today we